Hello kids, welcome to the session at Learn Forward platform by Feathercap. I'm your facilitator Garima Singh to make your learning easy and fun. So let's begin. Hope you all are ready with your book Fly High Grade 3. Now we'll be doing chapter 6 that says try again. We all have heard that, try again unless you succeed, right? And you all must have heard a story about the ants, who never stopped climbing the wall. And though the ant faced so many problems, but still so many challenges, but still the ant did not give up and, was able to reach the top of the wall. So we should all try and try again. We should never give up. We should always be ready to face the challenges. Okay, so now it's a poem about a universal message of continuous struggle that the poet wants to convey us. Let's read the poem. So before that, we have an activity. You need to find out, you need to fill in the figures now to make the division equations true. Here it has been given 20 divided by dash is equal to 4. So 5 4s are 20. So here we will write 4. So similarly, you will all complete it, right? Now let's come to the exercise, the poem, sorry. TIS, TIS means it is, right? It's a short form. TIS, a lesson. It is a lesson you should heed. Heed is you should pay attention. You should give importance to it, right? So there's a lesson on which you should all you should all give importance. You should all, emphasize. Try again. If at first you don't succeed, succeed means if you're not able to, achieve it. Successful, what is the meaning of successful? To achieve what you want. So maybe first time we don't succeed because it's not, generally it does not happen that if I want to do something and in first attempt I'm able to achieve it. I might, have to put in effort. I might have to try for it again and again. Try again. So even if it is a first time and you were not able to achieve it, never give up. Try again. Once or twice, though you should fail. See, it might happen that, even if you tried it twice, thrice, you might fail. But then again, never give up, try again. If you would at last prevail, try again. So what is the meaning of prevail? To be victorious. So if you would, definitely at certain time, fifth time, sixth time, maybe the 10th time, you will be able to achieve your goal, right? You will be able to succeed in the task. So you keep trying and definitely there will be a point where you will be able to achieve your goal. If we strive, it is no disgrace. Strive means try hard. So, trying hard, it does not bring any disgrace, is disrespect or insult. In fact, the people who keep trying are appreciated. Ki, see, this is the one who never gave up. And, he was so much inspired and motivated that despite of so many challenges, despite of so many difficulties, he or she did not give up and he or she kept trying. So do not feel bad about it. What should you do in that? Though we may not win the race, what should you do in that case? So, it's not necessary that we will be able to achieve everything in few attempts. We shouldn't feel ashamed of it. We shouldn't feel bad about it. We should not give up because, it is, see, we have certain things and it is our responsibility to achieve it. So you give your best, you try your best, and if it is destined, if it is there that you will get it, you will definitely achieve it. If you find your task is high, try again. As I said, time will bring you your reward. Try again, right? So definitely there will be a time when you will be paid for your hard work. And see, hard work, efforts, they always pay you back. So never, give up, never feel ashamed. If once you have failed, no matter, try it again and again, and definitely there will be a point, maybe you do not succeed 100%, but then you will be able to achieve bit of it. And all other folks can do. Folks in general, they're talking about the people. With your patience, should not you? So, we should all have patience. We should all keep our calm. We should all, have that energy level. We should all stay positive and definitely we'll be able to do it. Only keep this rule in view, try again. So only if we have this, vision of trying again, so definitely we'll be able to achieve our goal. So now, what according to the poet must not be ashamed or failing or try. We should not feel ashamed. We should not give up even if we are not able to win the race, if we are not able to achieve the target in first attempt. What different rewards do you get at the end of the difficult task? We definitely, what different rewards we can, it can be a materialistic thing, it can be accomplish of your task. So you can be rewarded in any way if you give your best, if you make 100% efforts. So now we have the exercise. Which of the following is the opposite of prevail? Prevail means victorious. So the opposite of victory is fail. Next, which word means the same as cause of shame? So, which is the word? That is disgrace. See, one is you do not even try and you say, I cannot do it. On the other hand, there is somebody who says, I think I'll not be able to do it, but at least let me try. So, it's always better to give a try. So, putting in effort and failing never brings you disgrace, but then, just deciding that yes, I'll not be able to do it and not doing it, definitely it's a matter of disgrace. So at least give it a try. You never know, you'll be able to achieve it. Now we have an extract. Based on it, we need to answer. If you fail to achieve success in 1 or 2 attempts, you should stop trying, leave the task, or try to do the same task again and again. We should try doing it again and again. Next, try dash if at first you don't succeed. Try next time, try again. Should we stop trying if we fail at the first attempt? Never. We should keep trying. Find out the word from the extract that rhymes with fail. So, what is the word that rhymes with fail in the given extract? Maybe it's there. Prevail. Next extract. Now we have, if you are unable to win the race, it is disgraceful. Don't feel it disgraceful and try again. Don't participate in that race again. That is really wrong. Just giving up and never trying it again. So second one is right. Don't feel it disgraceful and try it again. Okay. We should not try again if we may not win the race. See, I have learned one thing from my parents. I have learned one, we should not try. So it's a false statement. I have always been advised to do that. See, no matter I achieve it or not, but the participation in any activity, your contribution in any activity is more important, rather than winning. So what counts is your participation, your contribution in any task. Do not worry about the result. Do not worry about the reward, but just at least get into it and give your best. Take the correct option. In order to do something difficult, we should not waste time to do the same task. No, have a lot of patience and keep trying till we are successful. Yes. Leave the task. Wrong. Now, what is the poet trying to say in the line, time will bring you your reward, try again? You have to keep trying, and when the right time will come, you will get success, or a person named time will bring a gift for you, or none of the above. It is the first one, that we should keep trying, and when it is the right time, we will definitely be rewarded. Pick out the lines that convey the following from the poem. When you fail in your first attempt, try again. Okay. Once or twice, though you should fail, try again. So these are the lines. Okay. Next we have, it is not shameful to struggle hard. The line which had that disgrace one, na? This. If we strive, it is no disgrace. At least we are brave enough to try. We are not a coward that yes, we'll sit and see others doing it. Always participate. Never expect that yes, you will be the winner, that yes, you will get the award. Okay. Next, when others can do the work, so can you if you keep trying. So, he said, now when others can do, why don't you have patience and do it? So these were the lines. Which were the lines? Here, this one. And all other folks can do with your patience, should not you? When others can do it, why not you? Next, we have the question answers. The first says, what does hard work bring? Hard work, first of all, hard work gives you inner satisfaction. you feel so happy, you feel so satisfied that yes, at least I tried. And yes, definitely hard work always pays you back. What should we do if we find our task hard? See, if we find our task hard, we should never give up. We should try to face all the challenges and we should keep trying to achieve it. Why is the poet repeating the line try again? Because see, as in the beginning they said that the poet is trying to give us a universal advice, a universal, rule that, no matter what, try again. So, he's trying to emphasize, trying to lay importance on this, that never give up, keep trying. Next, what rules must always be kept in mind? Okay, so in case we have to participate in any task, first of all, we should all be patient. Number two, we should never expect that, yes, we should never hope that, we should never expect that we are going to be the only winners. We should just think that, I am just giving my 100%. So patience, hard work, facing the problems, then organize, you have to be organized so that your well planning can help you in achieving your task. So these are the things you should keep in your mind. What lesson is the poet trying to teach us? The poet is trying to teach us that no matter what the situation is, you should never give up until and unless you achieve your goal or your target. So that was all about the poem. Hope you all liked it. Read it once again. Go through the exercise. See you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Happy learning.